Deronda here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this Pepperidge Farm Cornbread Classic Stuffing. Don't let it intimidate you. Very simple and easy to do. You'll find the recipe right here on the back of the bag. Thanksgiving Day and Christmas Day are coming up, so I'm giving you a heads up. The ingredients you're going to need is this 12-ounce package of Cornbread Classic Stuffing Mix, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of chopped onions. I like to chop mine finely, but if you want to leave them a little chunkier, you may. 1 cup of chopped celery. Again, I like mine finely chopped, but chop it the way you like. And 1/4 cup of butter. It can be salted or unsalted. Over here on the stovetop, in a 3 to 4 quart saucepan over medium heat, I'm adding all our butter along with our chopped celery and our chopped onions. We're going to cook this on medium for about the next 3 to 4 minutes, or until we have a translucent color here on our onions. You want to continue stirring gradually. I've been cooking my onions and celery over medium heat for the last 4 minutes. I've turned off my timer. As you can see, a lot of the liquid has absorbed, and that's what we're looking for. Add all of your chicken broth. We don't have to worry about this coming to a boil. And your cornbread stuffing mix all at once. Now I'm using 2.5 quart saucepan. It tells you to use 4. So I'm going to be real careful so I won't lose any over the edge. We're going to toss this until it's well blended with that celery and our onions and our chicken broth. Okay, you don't want any dry crumbs of your cornbread stuffing mix. When it's looking like this, it's ready for its 2 quart baking dish. So over here, I'm using my butter wrapper to give my 2 quart baking dish a light little greasing. You can use all-purpose vegetable shortening, or you can use olive oil. I'll leave it up to you. Spoon in our dressing. And at this point, you want your oven preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, and look at that celery and onions in there. And oh, it smells so delicious. This will sure get you in the mood for Thanksgiving. And then we're just gonna go ahead and add a little texture here to the top. Not necessary for this. I just cover with tin foil, and this is off to that 350 degree preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 35 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Let's see what our baked cornbread dressing looks like. It's gonna be a little steamy. That looks scrumptious. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I like the texture and the design I made here on the top. Oh, wow. Looky there. How fabulous is that? And look on the inside. I'm thinking gravy, turkey, cranberry sauce. Let's give it a try. That is absolutely perfect. The freshness of the onions and celery just takes this to another delicious level of flavor. And if you want to add some fresh thyme or sage, I'm not going to tell. This will be perfect for your Thanksgiving or Christmas Day meal. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. And by the way, if you're looking for more recipes to go with your Thanksgiving Day meal, check out my Thanksgiving Day playlist. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.